Hello and welcome. My name is Bob Elf, and today I'm going to teach you about the eSpot REST service and why it's so cool. So when we look at a website, we can see here we have some recommendations for different dresses on the Aurora site. Well, those dresses are actually in an eSpot, and that eSpot can be exported to other channels through a feed, like an Atom feed to a website, a mobile, the store associate, or even a point of sale terminal. So let's go ahead and look at a basic eSpot. We're going to take a look at bike categories. So this is an eSpot we have set up. You can see it's going to display categories, and I have 4 simple categories in there: helmets, wheels, gear, and bikes. And I can also see down at the bottom the URL to the feed that I would give to the other channels for integration purposes. So let's go ahead and copy that and see what that looks like in the browser. So we're going to go ahead and paste that into this browser, and this is going to be in an Atom format. You can see up at the top, response format is an Atom, but I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that because XML is a little easier to comprehend within a browser. So you can see here we have the XML from this eSpot, and we've got things like the category name, the description, the thumbnail, the large image, and basically everything we need to use this information in our own channel. Even a relative link to the actual category within the catalog. And if we go back, we can see those are the 4: helmets, wheels, gear, and bikes. So let's just key out here. See, there you go. There's helmets as an example. And it contains basically all the information to get to helmets. So now we're going to show you the real cool part. So I've got this A/B cat entries, and that's right, it's going to be an A/B test, but we don't have any content in here, and it's going to display catalog entries. And the reason we don't have any content is because I want to set up a rule to show an A/B test on different entries and then follow their click-throughs on how many we get. So right now it's set up to just show a single set of catalog entries based on a search. And right now that search term is Aurora. So in this area we're going to show 5 products in our catalog that the Aurora search term would use. But I'm going to go ahead and modify this rule with an A/B test. So I'm going to go ahead and name this Aurora or helmets, which is going to be the 2 different paths. And we'll go ahead and make it change on request for this demonstration. You can even do that live, and then we'll set it up to 10,000 customers. So now we'll define our paths, the Aurora search term, and the percentage will be 50, and then the helmet search term, which will be 50 also. So the first one copied over fine. Now we're just going to go ahead and modify the second one to search for a different term. And we'll just type in helmets. And that's pretty much it. So now we have our A/B test rule set up for the content of this website. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and test the same URL inside of the browser. So this one is A/B cat entries for that eSpot URL, and you'll quickly notice we have some road bikes in here, which are the Aurora road bikes, and when I hit refresh it switches to helmets. So this is a really good way to test an A/B test using a REST service. That's why this REST service is so powerful, because a marketing person can control the content of this using the precision marketing rules built inside of WebSphere Commerce. So with that, thank you for watching.